kitchen of Madame Labriski. And today we will do a special recipe. It's not a recipe that you can find at my first book, Fuel Your Day. It's a recipe that we can find in my new youth novel, Mini Labriski. And the recipe is called Monkey Poo. I know it's so funny. That's why I want to share the recipe with you, because for the moment, my novel is just in French. But well, when it will be in English, you will already know what is Monkey Poo. And you will see it's so tasteful and easy to do. What we need, of course, we will need date puree. With Madame Labriski, we always have date puree. We'll need half of cup. You know, I think in French, or sometimes I have something in my mouth, but, well, it's funny, like monkey poo, so, okay. I need 150 grams of date puree. Then, half cup of peanut butter. If you don't eat peanut butter, you can use half cup of WowButter. It's really easy. You use the butter that you love and you can eat. So, it will be 150 grams of peanut butter. I really love peanut butter. 150 grams. If you have 150, if you bake with a kitchen scale and you, oh my God, it's 155. It's okay. It's okay. Then we will add 2 cups of puff cereal. Here I have 1 cup of quinoa puff cereal and a cup of rice puff. I put it on the bowl. 2 cups. And finally, a 1/4 cup of coconut. It's almost like 25 grams, and a 1/4 cup of dry cranberries. I invite you to use the dry cranberries. They dry the cranberries with fresh juice instead of sugar. Of course, I'm Madame Labriski, so I prefer when we sweet with something different than refined sugar. So we put everything in the bowl, and then, oh, what do we have to do, Madame Labriski? You mix it up, everything. Ta-da-da! And during that time, you can dance. You can listen your favorite music. And you can laugh at it because, you know, it's really fun. It will be Monkey Poo. Okay, then you mix it up. And after, what we have to do, you know, it will be like Play-Doh. You put a bit of dough on your hand, and da-da-da, you do like this. Monkey Poo. Oh my God. And you will see, it's so funny. What are you eating? I'm eating a Monkey Poo. It's tasty, healthy, and so good. And it's what Mini Labriski is eating, Monkey Poo. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe. If you like to cook quick and bake with date puree, I invite you to go on madamelabriski.com. Or, you know, you will have more than 100 recipe, easy recipe, because all my recipe, you put everything in the bowl and you enjoy. So, see you next time. Bye-bye.